Hi, welcome back to the workshop. Today we're going to show you how to change the dust bag on our Mirka DEXOS 1217M AFC Dust Extractor. First things first, make sure your dust extractor is powered off and unplugged from the electrical outlet. One of the great features of the Mirka DEXOS is that you don't have to remove any of the fitted accessories to do this. To access the dust bag, ensure the extractor is stable on its 4 feet. Even apply the brake. And lift off the upper section of the dust extractor to access the dust bag compartment. Mirka dust bags have a flap you can use to seal the bag. I recommend closing it as quickly as possible to minimize dust and debris escape. Now, carefully remove the bag from the compartment. Be mindful of any dust or debris that might escape. Once you remove the old bag, ensure to dispose of it properly according to local regulations. Now it's time to install the new bag. Make sure to check the bag's orientation. The instructions can also be found on the dust bag. Prepare a new dust bag and insert it into the compartment, ensuring it aligns with the contour lines indicated. Make sure that it doesn't get pinched. You should hear a click when it's secure. Open the dust compartment. Once the new dust bag is in place, reattach the upper section, making sure it is securely fastened and properly aligned. Finally, check that all of the components are reassembled correctly and the new dust bag is properly installed. Remember, the dust extractor will beep if there is not enough airflow in the hose. Additionally, in the app you can locate whether the dust bag is full or if the hose is blocked. This feature helps maintain optimal performance and alerts you to check of any blockages or necessary maintenance. And that's it! You've successfully changed the dust bag on your dust extractor. Remember to inspect your dust bag regularly and change it when it's full to ensure optimal performance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time in the workshop.